How to send music in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can send music in Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to send music in Messenger, you can go ahead and then open the Messenger application here, and then there's just a certain person, let's say over here, and then you want to send them a music. Right here you can see I only have the option to send my gallery photos, my voice recordings, or if I tap I can send the location. Even if I just press the voice recording icon here, I can record a voice only, but this is not necessarily sending music, this is just sending the voice recording. Now you have to understand from which platform you want to send the music. If you want to send a music from YouTube or Spotify, let's say for example, I'll just select YouTube randomly here, and then I'll just go to this music section, let's say over here. Then if I select a certain music here, assuming that this is a music though, you can tap the share icon. Here you can just go to Facebook Messenger, and then you can simply send them to someone. Now let's say that you have a song downloaded on your device itself. So for that you can open the file manager application, go to audio files. You should be able to see a list of audio files here. If you want to share this music with them, long press on it, tap on share option here. If you don't see Messenger, you might want to tap the more option here, but if you do see, then you can tap on Messenger chats, and now you can simply send them to someone if you'd like. This way you can send music on Messenger. There are many ways to do this. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.